So I see that you are an MRICS as well.
Right.
So help us understand how did that happened, and what was the journey from a non-member to a member, and how what changed after that?
So it was something that I had always wanted to do, but never found the time, right? I mean, you're so busy doing 100 things in a day, you barely have any time to do the things that you're supposed to do, let alone take time out, apply for a course like this, prepare for it, do the prep work, get your documentation in, finish your interviews. So I think I procrastinated for many years, and then COVID happened.
Okay.
So that gave me the time and the opportunity to prepare for something like this. And I said, this is the time. It's now or never. If I don't do it now, I'm never going to do it. And I think that was definitely another defining moment for me, where I went ahead, got this accreditation. It has changed a lot of things for me. It has not just work-wise, but from a perspective-wise as well, right? In terms of giving access, like I said, access to so many different facets of your global trends, global practices, and not necessarily always leasing related, because it's such a big body, right? And it encompasses so many different sectors. There's so much learning to do.
Right. And again, similar to the the benefits, attending the conferences, interacting with
Oh,
people,
yes,
and
absolutely.
getting to know what is actually happening in the market,
Absolutely.
which you might not get an access to.
Yeah. Look, in our daily line of work, it's predominantly meetings, strategies, client servicing, and so on and so forth. You don't necessarily get to, unless you go out of your way to do that X number of hours of reading in a day, you won't really get that exposure into knowing what else is happening. But these networking events are extremely critical and important. What it also does, it helps build relationships. And like I said, coming back to the whole industry, real estate is very people-centric, very trust-based. Now, trust doesn't happen overnight. It takes time to build that trust. You have to build long-lasting, genuine relationships for that trust to work, to build that trust, and to be able to see it culminate into something fruitful. In fact, I would say that some of the most gratifying transactions, for me, gratifying feelings that I've had after closure of a transaction, those have not come from cold pitches or presentations or so on and so forth. Those have come from clients that I actually invested time in to build that long-lasting relationship. I still have clients today who I know from close to 15-20 years ago, who I still work with, and it's